user to choose one of them. After using show send query L method, you also need to use validate service L method to check that the selected services work within the message constructor. If you wish to limit the option presented to the mobile device user, use tsendFlags method to define which capabilities your message requires or specify the UID of the services that you should not be offered.
SMS stands for Short Message Service. Simply put, it is a method of communication that sends text between cell phones or from a PC or handheld to a cell phone. The short part refers to the maximum size of the text message, 160 characters. This figure shows how SMS works on. Even if you are not talking on your cell phone, your phone is consistently sending and receiving information. It is talking to its cell phone tower over a pathway called a control channel. The reason for this chatter is so that the cell phone system knows which cell your phone is in, and so that your phone can change cell as you move around. Every so often, your phone and the tower will exchange a packet of data that lets both of them know that everything is okay. Your phone also uses the control channel for call setup. When someone tries to call you, the tower sends you a phone message over the control channel that tells your phone to play its ringtone. The tower also gives your phone a pair of voice channel frequencies to use for this call.
Code walkthrough of sending SMS in Windows Mobile OS listed below.
First, the SMS messaging component is opened and its handle is stored. This handle is needed to call another SMS APIs. A number of structures or UDTs need to be prepared for the call to SMS send message method. Since embedded Visual Basic lacks support for UDTs, simple strings are used to emulate a structure. The first is a structure containing the address of the message. The address structure contains an indicator of what kind of number is supplied and the number itself. The next structure contains various options regarding the service provider. The first part of the structure indicates that no special options are selected, and the second part indicates that the message should be sent immediately. The last part states that no replacement should be made. In the call to send the message, the prepared structures are supplied, the message text and a number of options. Finally, the handle is closed. Not like in Symbian operating system, we can see many classes for sending messages in Android operating system. Bluetooth is a standard and a communications protocol primarily designed for a low power consumption with a short range based on low cost transceiver microphones in each device. Bluetooth makes it possible for these devices to communicate with each other when they are in range. Because the devices use a radio communication system, they do not have to be in line of sight of each other. Initializing a Bluetooth connection. The Symbian platforms allow allows to establish Bluetooth connections to other devices for sending and receiving data. The first step in making a Bluetooth connection is to discover the device you want to connect to. Typical use cases include connecting to a new Bluetooth device. It uses our notifier method. Connecting to one or more Bluetooth devices with advanced options. Connecting to a paired device. Uses RBT registry, TBR registry, search and CBT registry response methods. Important implementation considerations include our notifier methods offers a high-level interface implementation. If you require additional options for your application, RH Host Resolver provides a more versatile interface. Sending, receiving data over a Bluetooth connection prerequisites. A connection has been initialized with another Bluetooth device or devices. To transfer data over a Bluetooth connection, use one of the following methods to send information to or receive information from the selected devices. To use Bluetooth connection interactively, use the methods of the C Bluetooth socket class of the Bluetooth sockets API. Typical use cases include sending information over an interactive connection. Uses C Bluetooth socket. Sending a file in a single short operation. Uses CO.BEX server, CO.BEX client, to BEX Bluetooth protocol info and CO.BEX base object. Sending a file wrapped up in a message over a Bluetooth or BEX connection. Important implementation considerations include OBEX is manually considered a session-based connection, while L2CAP and RFC or M.A.M are used for continuous connections. OBEX does not require the maintenance of a continuous connection, but it can add overhead that results in a poor throughput. L2CAP and RFC or M.A.M can be more efficient in sending data. There are limitations in implementing audio-related Bluetooth connections from your application. You can send audio files over a Bluetooth connection, but you cannot stream audio over a Bluetooth CS